Hey guys, it is Chef Kayla with Waller Adventures, and today I am going to show you how to make baked bluefish. So stick around and we will show you how. So bluefish isn't normally what you would be eating in a normal restaurant. I have never gone to a seafood restaurant and seen bluefish on the menu. So this video is for all my fishermen and fisherwomen out there who like to catch bluefish and want an awesome recipe. So I'm going to show you all the ingredients you need. So the first thing you'll need is bluefish. We recently caught it in Daytona Beach, so it is fresh right out of the ocean. Then you'll need your black pepper. Then you'll need your fancy white cooking wine. You know, we're being bougie today. You'll need your kosher salt, your herbs and spices, butter, and you'll need lemons, but today we are using lemon mandarin hybrids, which will be really good. And you'll need your tinfoil. Alright, so we're going to set our oven to bake at 350. Hit start. While this is warming up, we're going to get our fish ready. Alright, so I got my piece of bluefish fillet. I cut the bloodline out of the back of it. I'm going to set it on our piece of tinfoil. So if your bluefish fillet has skin on the back of it, you want it skin side down, but we don't have skin on ours, so we're going to put the back side down. Then you want to sprinkle on some salt. And sprinkle on your black pepper. Then you want to sprinkle on your herbs. I'm using thyme and rosemary. Then you want to do your lemon juice. It's okay if you get seeds on it, it'll bake. Then you want to do 2 pats of butter. That is big pats of butter. Then you want to do 3 tablespoons of your dry wine. Then I'm going to add a sprig of rosemary that I got out of the Waller Adventures garden. And then you want to put your lemon slices on it. And like I said before, we are using the lemon mandarin hybrid. Like so. Now I'm going to fold it up. I'm going to take the 2 longest sides and roll them down. You take the other sides and roll the side. Kind of like a hot dog. Alright, now that I got this one ready to go, we're going to do the next one. Burn my eyebrows off. Alright, so you want to leave it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so I left them in there for about 15 minutes because they were thinner pieces. So, see how they look. Ooh, it smells so good. Yeah, they're pretty much done. Right, as you can see, our bluefish is done and it's nice and juicy looking, so we're going to taste test it. It's really good. It's flaky. You can taste the herbs, you can taste the rosemary in it. You can taste the lemon mandarin hybrid. It's really good. The thing with bluefish is when you want to cook bluefish, it has a fishy taste to it. So you can either marinate it in some milk, or you can use the citrus like we did. and it took the fishiness right out of it. So it's really, really good. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to the channel and hit that bell icon to get notified on when we post more videos like this one. Also check us out on Instagram and Facebook. And while you're on our Facebook page, you can check out our little shop where we sell the Beast Box from Rogue Magnetics and the Anstrie and Cookbook. In the description of this video, you can find a link to our bigger shop where you can get t-shirts, hoodies, hats, drinkware. You can even get stickers, and you get a lot more. So thanks for watching. See you soon.